Pranab Mukherjee sir is no more, yaar. That's shocking. I guess I'm not sure, but he was not COVID positive.
Pranab Mukherjee was our president, India's president, right?
Yeah, he was president till 2017. He was a great guy, yaar.
You're very politically inclined, no? I checked your Facebook profile, by the way.
Thank you.
I just have a little interest. केजरीवाल के दिल्ली इलेक्शंस जीतने के बाद थोड़ा, but I try to see balanced perspective. Neither right winger nor a left winger.
Left wing, right wing. I don't even know what these wings are.
It's a very, very, very deep chapter to discuss. समझाने और समझने के लिए पूरी लाइफ बाकी है. पहले हम एक दूसरे को समझ लें. I guess that's more important.
Absolutely. That's why we're here.
Yeah.
This is why I love 3Ds. India Sizzlers, they're amazing. Try some.
All right, boss. I shall try whatever you say.
Don't try it because I am saying so. Try it if you like it. अच्छा, तेजवानी ने पेमेंट भेजा?
हाँ तो भी फोन किया था मैंने उसको 2 दिन और बोल रहा है नाइस
Why are you looking at me like that?
Nothing.
Hello!
What's up,
Man, where have you been? I've been missing you so much.
How's it going in India?
India's good, India's good. Acha, tell me, have you started your tour or are you still in Sweden?
Yeah, I'm here only, babe. You know, I'll start touring and all by next month, so any update on what I'm supposed to see this week?
I have actually given a lot of thought on that and I'm gonna eat your brain up. So you tell me, when are you free?
नहीं ऐसे में मुझे कोई इशू क्यों होगा यार. जब भी बात करनी है, जिससे भी बात करनी है. Who am I to restrict anyone for that matter? It's not even about my girlfriend or a wife.
Nice. So I'm just asking,
Yeah.
hypothetically. For example, अगर तुम्हारी wife का या तुम्हारी girlfriend का phone busy आता है at somewhere around 2-3 o'clock at night. So are you like gonna react to it?
Teenager थोड़ी हूँ यार. You cannot and should not keep anyone in prison of your own insecurities and thoughts.
That's deep, Ashish.
Yeah.
So, out of curiosity, what's your take on disloyalty in marriage or maybe in a relationship?
I have a very different take on this, yeah.
What is that?
If I'm sleeping with another woman, physically,
Right.
being in a relationship, I'm disloyal, right?
Absolutely.
And what if I'm sleeping with 100 women mentally, like in my own head? I'm not disloyal, right?
I don't know. That's a tricky one.
Well, in that case, everyone is disloyal, aka cheater. Because in your own head, you are always thinking someone else.
Wow.
People don't understand the concept of disloyalty or infidelity for that matter. Not attentive in your relationship is disloyalty.
Right.
Not invested emotionally in your relationship is also a form of disloyalty. You know what? The actual phase of marriage comes when two people starts living together. क्योंकि उससे पहले तो सब कुछ अच्छा ही होता है ना. लोग रेस्टोरेंट्स या कैफेज में जाते हैं, ड्राइव पर जाते हैं, पिक्चर देखने जाते हैं, या फोन पर बात करते हैं. तो सब घंटों तो सब अपना बेस्ट वर्जन ही तो दिखाते हैं.
Right.
Everybody tries to sell themselves to the other person who they love or like.
Absolutely.
You know, dating is like a trailer.
Wow.
और ट्रेलर्स तो हमेशा अच्छे ही होते हैं. असली फिल्म तो शादी के बाद शुरू होती है. और आजकल वैसे भी लोग ट्रेलर से ही तो सारी कहानी समझ जाते हैं. इसलिए कोई अच्छी फिल्म्स देखने नहीं जाता. जैसे कि लोग टेस्ट मैच नहीं देखने जाते. Similarly, dating is like T20 and शादी is like a test match. But test match is a real game. जहाँ पर एक स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन की असली कैपेबिलिटी पता चलती है.
Wow, that's a lot of insight. So is it because of a lot of girls?
You can say, I would say one girl only.
Hello?
Can we have order for dinner?
Yeah. Tell me.
Excuse me? Thank you.
Yes, please.
You want something?
Nah, I can't figure anything out here.
I think we are done. आप प्लीज चेक ले आएंगे?
Okay, sir.
So, what are we doing next? Where do we go?
I think for a drive.
Sure.
सारे मौसम एक से हैं नहीं, दिन भी सारे एक से हैं कहाँ, रंग सारे जुदा से हैं, तो फिर ये राहें हैं क्या? कैसे हैं ये रास्ते, कैसे हैं ये रास्ते, बिना दूसरा, कैसे हैं ये रास्ते, आगे चले बस तू रहे, हम चलते रहे।
Done with your call?
Yeah.
Yours. Finish it.
What's wrong with you?
Nothing?
ऑफिस से कुछ फोन आया है?
No, no, कुछ भी नहीं.
Is there anything that's troubling you?
Nothing, just have your food. Let's go.
Shreyansh, this is the third fucking time I'm asking you. Tell me why you're acting so strange.
कुछ भी नहीं. दिमाग खराब हो रहा है. चल यहाँ पे चलते हैं.
Can you please mind your language? We're in a decent place. Behave yourself.
दौड़ा मेरा language. You can use fuck all the time any way you want. That's okay. जब मैं हिंदी में गाली दूं, I should mind my language. It's of hypocrisy, man.
अगर तुम्हें ऐसी बकवास करनी है तो तुम बकवास करो, मैं जा रही हूँ. I can't tolerate this childish behavior anymore.
एक मिनट. कौन है आयरलैंड वाले, पहले ये बता मुझे. क्यों फोन करता तुझे बार-बार ये? तेरे साथ क्या प्लानिंग चल रही है मुझे नहीं पता. तेरे साथ चल क्या रहा है तू मुझे बताती ही नहीं. अरे निकोलो कौन है यार? व्हाट्सएप विंडो में हर समय ऊपर चैट खुली रहती है. Who the fuck is this guy? I'm your business partner. I should know this.
Exactly. I'm a business partner. Life partner नहीं हूँ. Stop being so dramatic, man. भैया, excuse me please.
Yes?
Can you give me the check?
Yes, ma'am.
भैया आपको दिख रहा है ना बात कर रहे हैं. जाइए यहाँ से, बुला लूंगा मैं.
Okay, sir.
What's wrong with you?
You fucking answer my questions. Who the hell is this guy?
Stop irritating me, for Christ's sake. This is heights of immaturity. और मेरी पर्सनल लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है क्या नहीं चल रहा, that is none of your fucking business. Pay the bill, I'll transfer you the money. And please don't talk to me for a few days.
किस्से पुराने हुए, वो पल जमाने हुए, जिनको बुलाने चला था मैं, वो ही खजाने हुए. अभी तो यही था जहाँ, अभी तो थे तुम भी मेरे, अभी तो ये दिल खेलता था यही, अभी सब फसाने हुए. वक्त ये घूमता है बड़ा, और मैं वहीं हूँ खड़ा. थोड़ा जी लेने दे, थोड़ी जान देने दे, आँखों के समंदरों से पी लेने दे. दूरियों में
मान जाएगा दिल ख्वाब की बात को, पर लगता नहीं सच तेरा साथ ये। हर लम्हा मेरा पन्ना इश्क का, लिखवाती है आँखें मेरे हाथ से। वक्त घूमता है बड़ा और मैं वहीं हूँ खड़ा। थोड़ा जी लेने दे, थोड़ी जान देने दे, आँखों के समंदरों से पी लेने दे। दूरियों में कहीं रास्ते भूल गए, इस डूबती शाम को रोक लेने दे।
So, I have this small thing in my mind that you really should know. I want to do a pre-wedding shoot for us, please.
Are you crazy? Like seriously?
I'm very serious about this. Yeah, I really want to do it. एक ही बार शादी होगी ना मेरी, मुझे memories बनानी है. I want to live every moment of it. Please.
Arey, I look so stupid, yaar. You know, I used to love looking at my friends' pre-wedding pictures and goddamn cringe videos.
ये लोग इतना evolve क्यों हो जाते हैं 29 साल की उम्र में? There's more to life. और तुम ये अपना इंटेलिजेंट इमेज जो है ये तुम फेसबुक तक नहीं रख सकते. Listen, if you're not doing this now, then you're not getting any free kisses until the wedding. तो सोच लो.
श्यांश, इस क्लाइंट को तुमसे बात करनी है. He wants to understand pre-wedding photo and video का पैकेज.
आस्था से बात कर लो प्लीज.
उन्होंने बोला give it to श्यांश.
Give it to me. Mute.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, I need to understand the pre-wedding concept and cost.
All right, sir. Sir, may I know your good name, please, and where are you from?
Yeah, I am Ashish and I'm calling from Jaipur itself.
Great. Ashish. Ashish, sir, may I know your full name, please?
क्या करोगे पूरा नाम जान के?
No, sir, it's okay. I'm just asking for my own purpose. Anyways, sir, we have a lot of packages here at our company. The first package is the basic package, which is for 40,000. This includes your photographs and videos at random locations in Jaipur. Then we come to a creative tour package, which is for 80,000. And in this package, we will provide you a specialized makeup artist and a specialized photographer for you. Again, videos and photography is included in this. Then there's a platinum package, which is for 1.5 lakhs. And in this, you need not worry about anything. Everything is our headache. इसमें हम आपको म्यूजिक, ड्रेस, लोकेशंस, फोटोग्राफर, मेकअप आर्टिस्ट सब कुछ प्रोवाइड करते हैं.
Okay, may I know your name?
Sure sir, श्रेयांश नोवाल.
So Shreyansh, देखो कि I'm not at all aware about all these things. It's just that my fiance wants these pictures and videos. I just have one request. Please make everything sober, man. मतलब कुछ आलतू फालतू नहीं लगना चाहिए यार.
सर फालतू कुछ नहीं होगा, डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. आई वुड स्टिल रिकमेंड, अगर आप एक बार हमारे सैम्पल्स देख लेंगे, यू विल बी मोर इन्फॉर्म्ड.
नहीं, it's fine. I'm concerned because I used to laugh looking at my people's videos. No offense to you, but for me it's very silly and funny.
आई अग्री सर, वो थोड़ा सा क्राफ्ट के अंडरस्टैंडिंग पे डिपेंड करता है. बिलीव मी, आवर एस्थेटिक्स आर रियली डिफरेंट एंड वी बिलीव इन बीइंग सटल एंड क्रिएटिव.
Great. सही है.
So, since we are taking the decision right away, which package would you like to opt, sir?
Which one would you recommend?
So for that, I would like to know a little bit more about you and your story. कि ये कैसे start हुआ, कहाँ से start हुआ?
There's no story at all. Actually, it's typical arranged marriage, like extremely typical.
Okay, but I'm sure that you must be having great courtship. Hello. Hello.
I loved our little courtship.
Fuck this network. Hello.
Yeah, so courtship and all is fine. आप अपने हिसाब से मुझे पैकेज दे दो और बता देना क्या हिसाब है.
Okay, great, sir. Sir, in this case, I would recommend you go for the platinum package, sir. 1.5 lakhs. And आपको कुछ भी चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है. हम लोग सारी चीज़ें स्क्रिप्ट करके डिटेल्स में आपको मेल करेंगे. We'll discuss everything. We'll take your approval and then we'll go ahead with this. And also I recommend this to arranged marriage couples because I believe कि the whole process of shooting the videos and photographs will bring the couple together.
Sir, if the process of pre-wedding or wedding would have brought people closer, तो हिंदुस्तान में कभी divorces या breakups होते ही नहीं.
Superb observation sir. आपके साथ काम करके मज़ा आने वाला है.
Same here. So श्रेयांश हम 1.5 का पैकेज कर लेते हैं और डेट और लोकेशन आप अपने हिसाब से टेक्स्ट कर देना.
Definitely sir. Sir, could you please message me your email address and all? तो मैं आपको mail drop कर दूंगा and we can finalize everything then.
Okay, cool. Great. Yeah.
आपण ज्या व्यक्तीपर्यंत पोहोचण्याचा प्रयत्न करत आहात ती व्यक्ती दुसऱ्या व्यक्तीसह बोलत आहे. आपण प्रतीक्षा करू शकता किंवा थोड्या वेळानंतर प्रयत्न करा.